Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making Dongpo Elbow. Without further ado, let's get started. First, slice the ginger and cut the green onions into sections to enhance the soup's aroma. Then, soak the white beans for 20 minutes to make them cook more easily. Next, add 1.5 liters of water to a pot and bring it to a boil. Add the pork shank to the pot and pour in some cooking wine to remove any gamey taste. Cover the pot and let it cook for a while to partially cook the pork shank. Remove the pork shank and transfer it to a clay pot. Add the soaked white beans to the clay pot. Then, add the ginger slices and green onion sections along with cooking wine and salt for seasoning. Pour in the original broth, cover the clay pot, and simmer over low heat for 2 hours. After the long simmering, the white bean pork shank soup becomes rich and flavorful. The pork shank turns tender and absorbs the seasonings, while the white beans soak up the savory taste of the pork and the aroma of the spices. Friends, you must try our Dongpo Elbow. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.